Are you looking to sum up a column in Google Sheets quickly and accurately? You've hit the jackpot with this tutorial. Adding totals is essential for budgeting, invoicing, or any financial tracking. Let's add it all up and show you how it's done. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Open the Google Sheets document that contains the column you want to total. Step 2. Select the cell for your total. Click on the cell at the bottom of the column where you want your total to appear. Step 3. Insert the SUM function. Type equals sum, and then select the range of cells you want to add up, or type the range manually, e.g., A2, A10. Close the parenthesis and hit Enter. Step 4. Check your total. The cell will now display the sum of the selected cells in the column, and just like that, you've got your total. If this guide helped you tally up your numbers with ease, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google Sheets wisdom.